Yeah, hi, Hamish Lowe here from Rural Livestock. How's it going? We're here today at the Palmerston Sale yards. We have a mixture of both calf and 2-year-old cattle here today.
Don Rooney, Rural Livestock Rep and based in Oamaru. This is an add-on sale. We have 2 main calf sales for this season, and because of climate conditions in Balclutha, South Otago, we've decided to have another one here because the market's stronger the further we go north. So basically an open cattle sale. And they come from Cecil Peak in Queenstown to Lumsden and everywhere in between.
So yesterday or last night the trucks started rolling in from about 3 o'clock. Obviously we draft up and sort the calves as they come in and put them into their sale pens, then obviously write up the catalogue the night before, and then the catalogue's ready to go when people come and register and buy today. The calves as they go through the yards get weighed and nape scanned, and so there's a good amount of information that the potential purchasers can have when they're looking at the calves.
G'day, my name's Callum Stalker from Rural Livestock. I'm based in North Otago. Today we've got our 3rd Palmerston calf sale. Sale's actually gone really well so far. The best of the Angus crosses was sort of making around that $3.60 to $4, and an average weight for them today was around that sort of 220. Probably the pick of the line today was a mob from Manaray Station from Middlemarch. They come in at 265 kilos, and they realised a price of $3.80, so that was really good. It's a strong gallery today. We had 45 to 50 registered buyers, as well as having bid R, so the heifers, they were sort of averaging around that $2.80 a kilo, and an average weight, give or take, they'll be around that sort of 220, 230, so good heifers. So our role today as an agent, obviously we sorted up everything into their lines last night, into their markings, colourings, types, etc. So we helped the team sell up there today. So after the sale, we just make sure the right cattle get on the right trucks, the nape movements are done, and all our cattle get home to their buyers in the right order and the right tallies. So yeah, a bit involved. We'll still be here till another probably 2 to 3 hours after the sale. It's part of the gig, but yeah, it's pretty important we get it right.